Hello everybody. Today I am going to tell you about the law of inheritance, that is the second law of segregation. This law of segregation are being taught in class 10th as well as class 12th. Here we are going to tell you about the how the segregation of alleles takes place to show or express the character which is hidden in F1 generation during the crossing. In this law, if we have a parental generation, tallness of the organism that are being represented by capital T and dwarfness small t and small t. These are taken in a parental generation, a pure tall and pure dwarf. After the gametogenesis, we'll find the pure tall will have a similar kind of the gametes, that is the capital T, and a similar kind of dwarfness allele, that is small t. When these gametes are crossed together in F1 generation, new offspring should be found a tall. This tall is not pure tall, it is a hybrid because of presence of two alleles, that is a tall alleles and dwarf allele. Due to this, genotypically it is a hybrid tall. These F1 generation offsprings are crossed to each other by themselves. Then we can have four different types of the gametes which consist of a tall and dwarf alleles. These gametes are crossed to each other. We'll find four different types of the offspring. One will be the pure tall, two will be the hybrid tall, and one will be the pure dwarf. Here it expresses that pure tallness has come from the alleles present in F1 generation, that is capital T in both trait. This tallness comes together after the gametogenesis to form a pure tall. When we see the genotype of the another two talls, they are hybrid tall because one capital T, one small t, which represents the tallness and dwarfness, are found. Due to that, they are known as the hybrid tall. The last one, result offspring, is the having a pure dwarfness. Here the presence of dwarfness, which has been recessive in F1 generation, now it appear in F2 generation. It shows that the segregation of alleles has been taken place during the gametogenesis to form the hidden or recessive character in F2 generation. This law of segregation are being explained in this way. The obtaining of the recessive character in F2 generation shows the hidden character in F1 generation has been expressed in F2 generation. Here we can see genotypically 1:2:1 result are being found. One is the tall, two is the hybrid, and one is the dwarf. This result can be also represented with the help of Punnett squad test also. This result will be the similar of its. This is all about our law of segregation, and it is also known as law of inheritance, that is the law of second inheritance. So please like this video, share it and subscribe the channel. Thank you everybody.